Greetings from Nassau, Bahamas. And here is a look down Bay Street. You've got the wonderful straw market and all of your international shops where you don't have to pay all of that tax. This is the way to Atlantis, Paradise Island, once known as Hog Island. But there is a market worth a walk through. It's not the official straw market, but I think it has the sentiment of shopping in the Bahamas, and I've got my Bahamas attire on. I'd still like to find one a little bit brighter. Actually, I just bought a new lanyard. Bahamas flag, a little bit brighter than the one that I owned. This is the port marketplace. Let's see, their slogan is peace. Take a piece of the Bahamas home with you. These are all... Now, one of the things I do love about a straw market or a marketplace is when I was walking through the straw market, people were handcrafting these baskets. So you are supporting the local artisans. Island of Providence, capital of Nassau. Get to see local musicians.
I got original songs. Come on, buddy.
Original songs. And so when they say you're bringing a piece of the Bahamas home, you truly are, because you're supporting an experience with the shop owners. And I gotta say, the shop owners that I've met have been really, actually quite friendly. Maybe because they've seen so many people in a port like Nassau. But I felt like their hellos were just genuine hellos. And if I told them what I was looking for, which is something with the flag of Bahamas, they'd point me in the direction of someone who maybe had something similar. No lying to me. I have what you want. I have what you want. And then they show you a colored egg. Just a bizarre example. Things that I've seen in other artisan markets from islands that claim to be the friendly island. I have to say, they are truly friendly here. And overall, it's been a genuinely very wonderful experience to be back in the Bahamas. Now, don't get this confused with the official straw market. This is the port market. Similar items. I recommend a visit to both. But this one is really close to the cruise ship. So if you're only here, or you're on an excursion, for example, and you've got 1 hour left, this would be the second one I say don't miss. And that's a quick walk through visiting Nassau, Bahamas. Till next time, keep exploring.